One in New Guinea forest of West Papua. This is a forest of West Papua, Indonesia. Birds belong to forest, but they have locks to get groups. Birds sleep and everything and birds like dancing. Different types of bird dance all over the world. Of the birds of paradise. This is slipper crested cockatoo. This is the smallest of biggest parrot and most the crested cockatoo is the spectacularest bird of paradise. For darling course in the ocean world of Indonesia, this bird always in magical forest of Australia or forest of African or South American forest. This bird always hangs on the nets. The crested gets another bird here. It's hang another bird. It's the king bird. Always uses Darjeeling courtship dance. He dances the linens, has his male pens impressive. Two birds always season to a mile of Indonesia. Birds even invented two birds, but it doesn't a courtship dance. Moose plinto. Always season hang another venom. This is trying to attack a mate. When it stop dancing for foams. Then always become as a dancer of this place on the planet Earth. This spirit of always to attract mates. This is already impressive mates. This always is trying to dance when performs. He's trying to always to attract a mate. Two birds always used well of Indonesia. Fantacular is friends always to attract mates. Always to from the wrong species birds. Take enough and always used to attract mates. This is perfume hazard. And two species always in often like this for the female picked the wrong mate. And always sees this partakes in others and two birds of paradise. Elephant comes toss and always sees about this species and going to rank full. If we see the pack that always not lent to impress musicals. And punt for pack that always in wrong. Always sees those in courtship dance. When he started his pension ideas.